to the alphabet.
Oh, I love it. Now, what's the next letter?
E.
E? What you gonna do with that letter E?
What you gotta do now with the letter E? Take the letter E and put it in my pocket. Put it in my pocket. Put it in my pocket. Take the letter E and put it in my pocket and add it to the alphabet.
All right.
The next letter.
What is the next letter after E?
What's the next letter? What's the next letter?
What's the next letter, Henry?
F.
F? What you gonna do with that F?
What you gotta do now with the letter F? Take the letter F. Put it in my pocket. Put it in my pocket. Put it in my pocket. Take that letter F and put it in my pocket and add it to the alphabet.
All right. What's after F?
What's the next letter?
Oh, well, what's the next letter?
G.
G?
You're counting the Z's. You're counting the Z's. You're counting the Z's.
Are you counting the Z's? How many Z's do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That must be a lot of Z's. Do you think they're tired? Because they're laying down. They're going zzz. They're snoring. What are you doing? You waking them up? You could play with your letters all day, couldn't you? Say, I love my letters. Mm-hmm.
What's the next letter?
What is the next letter?
H.
H?
What you gotta do now with the letter H? Take the letter H and put it in my pocket. Put it in my pocket. Put it in my pocket. Take that letter H and put it in my pocket and add it to the alphabet. And add it to the alphabet.
Great job.